Want to build real-world apps like contact managers or store API responses? Then you need Python dictionaries, the most powerful data type for storing data in key-value format. Let's explore how they work and how to use them like a pro. 1. What is a dictionary? In Python, a dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. It's unordered, changeable, and doesn't allow duplicate keys. Student is equal to name Ravi, age 21, course Python, print student. 2. Creating dictionaries. You can create dictionaries in several ways using curly braces or the dict constructor. Hash using user is equal to username Raghu active true. Hash using dict. Data is equal to dict, ID is equal to 101, status is equal to active. Print data. 3. Accessing values. To access values, use the key in square brackets or use .get. Print student name hash Ravi. Print student.get email hash none. 4. Adding or updating data. Adding or updating values is simple. Just assign a value to a new or existing key. Student email is equal to ravi@example.com hash add. Student age is equal to 22 hash update. Print student. 5. Removing data. To remove data, use pop, del, or clear. Student.pop course. Del student email. Hash student.clear removes all items. Print student. 6. Dictionary methods. Some useful methods include keys, values, items, and update. Print student.keys. Print student.values. Print student.items. Hash merge another dictionary. Student.update grade A. 7. Looping through a dictionary. Looping through keys and values is great for processing data. For key in student. Print key student key. Hash or more readable. For key, value in student.items. Print f key is equal to value. 8. Nested dictionaries. You can nest dictionaries inside each other, useful for structured data. Users is equal to user 1 name Anita, age 23. User 2 name Vikram, age 28. Print users, user 1 name hash Anita. Real-world example product inventory. Let's build a simple product inventory using a dictionary. Products is equal to 101 name laptop, price 55,000. 102 name phone, price 20,000. Hash access a product. Print products 101 name hash laptop. Hash add a new product. Products 103 is equal to name tablet, price 30,000. Hash loop through inventory. For PID, details in products.items. Print FID, PID, name, details, name, price, details, price. Wrap up and what's next? Dictionaries are key when working with real-world structured data. You'll find them everywhere in JSON files, APIs, databases, and more. In the next tutorial, we'll explore sets, the data type made for uniqueness. Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning Python step by step.